Hello, good day. Well, yesterday's we have a corporate trainings with this company International SOS. We found a very uh, a useful case study, right? And it is given by the person named as Aid Azan, right? Azan. So here's a date, right? So she has a list of dates and it's downloaded from a database, right? It's very common. So there's a date and they kind of find out how to convert this to here, right? So a very common method could be that we can use the date, numbers, right? And then you see, watch this, right? So you thought that this is the date, this is the month, oh, this is the month, right? So by default, Excel choose use when you download that, right, it perceives that the first one is the day and the month is 13 month, right? So is that a 13 month, right? The best is just 12, right? So obviously this is wrong, right? So should we can we change that to say month, day, year, right? Let's take a look then, right? Click OK. Oh, it doesn't work. You see that? It doesn't work. So let's just undo it, right? So the one of the way is to go through this two process, breakdown process, right? First, we're gonna find out where's the slash, right? Using the search function. Now the search function is basically just to find the first slash. So we're using the search, right? We tell Excel, hey, go to this raw data. I want to know where is the position. Something like the match function, right? But within the cell, we're going to find the position. Where is the first slash located? So it tells you it's 2. So then we get the months using the left function. The left function is basically that from left, we read from the left, right? We want that one digit, right? How do we know this is the one digit? Because we use the slash divide by 1. uh, divide by 1. Yeah, 2 divided by 1. Let me see. We're gonna fix this later. I think there's a bugs there. So next is to get the second slash, right? Is the slash, right? Is which is here, right? So how do we get that slash? We use a search function again, but we are based on the plus slash. So plus 1, right? From this onward, we want to find the next slash. So it's a search function again, right? Next is this get the day part. The day part, right? The day part is well, the day part is using the make middle, right? So we get a function, get a value, right, somewhere based on the raw data, the date, and then we find the first slash plus 1, and the number of characters is basically C14, C14 5 minus the 2 and minus 1, right? This is a simple maths, right? Sorry, it's not simple math, but it's just some maths calculation. So 5 minus 2, you got 3. So if you want 3 from here, 1 to 3, you still need to minus that 1 because that you only want to take 2 value. So that's why it is a minus 1 there as well. Finally, the easiest part, right, is this right function. The right functions, right, is this. So it takes the four numbers, four characters from here, right? Okay, that's done, right? So once we get all this breakdown already, now we go into the reconstruction process, right? Using the date function. The date function is very simple, right? It uses a date, right? For example, you want to know that to form a date, you can use three parts, three and then 7, and you got a date function. How do we know there's a date, right? Because it's a date number format. So you can see that this is a date number format. This is also a date number format, but it's not convertible to here, right? So therefore, it cannot use pivot table or Power Pivot to further analyze. So you need that kind of data here. Okay, so then we have an optional process which is using the text functions, and using the text function as well. So basically that's all that we'll talk about. And you can plug in all this information into this, and you get a very good idea, right? Thank you. Have a nice day. This is Ken Lau, the master trainers of Creative Wise in Japan, your preferred PSIB approved training provider in Malaysia and Asia. Thank you.